Fuck me. Okay, before I do this. But we're gonna do this right now, right? Wait, before I do this. Fuck you, you're not my friend to make me do this. You're gonna make me wait? You said that some of them have more than others? It doesn't matter because it's hard for them to ask me. What, Max isn't gonna see me do this? What the fuck? He's been talking so much shit about me not doing it, and then I'm gonna jump. No, I just had that on top. It's just the same thing as the second shoe. Alright, Max is here. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, kid. Come on. Fuck. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. Ah! Come on. We gotta do it. Hey, both of us. Come on. Hey. Okay. Ready? Come on. Let's do it. On 3. Fuck it. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Come on, you got it. You're done, you're done. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Put your foot. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
We did it!
Okay, you're out, you're out.
Oh, man. You got lucky, didn't you?
Fuck that, nigga. Huh? I told you I was gonna Michael Phelps that shit. I went there on purpose. Come on, don't hesitate. Just do it. Just do it.
Jump out.
No, you gotta jump. You gotta jump. Yeah.